Procrastination isn't laziness, it is mood management. What feeling is your brain dodging right now? You open the important email, then think, I'll just tidy my desk first. 5 minutes become 15 as you check messages and wipe the same spot twice. Guilt climbs, but you still don't start. Mood repair theory says you procrastinate to escape immediate negative emotions, anxiety, self-doubt, overwhelm, so your brain picks a quick mood fix over the hard task. It is pain avoidance, not a motivation problem. Do a 90-second mood check, name it, rate it, and take 3 slow breaths. Then set a 5-minute timer and start only the first tiny step. Promise a legal bribe after 5 minutes of something nice once your 5 minutes are done.